Hey fifth graders, happy Friday. We're on page 99 and 100 today, but I'm gonna help you with a lot of it. It's actually, while it's 2 pages, it can go by kind of fast if we really focus on what we are doing, okay? I wanna do a couple problems with you from a lot of the sections because this is a good page to see what you're understanding, what you're not understanding, what you need more review on, and what you're checking on, okay? So focus in because this video is to help you, okay? So make sure you take out your math book to page 99 and let's do a lot of this together so that you feel comfortable doing the other ones by yourself. Okay, so look at number 1, letter A. 6/19 equals something over 38, right? So what are we gonna do? We're gonna do the backward Z. Because 19 times what equals 38? I know that's a crazy one. You say that there's no tablets of 19, but let's try it. 19 times 1, no. 19 times 2, well 19 times 2 is 38, okay? So it is 2. And once we put 2 here, guys, we have to put 2 up here, okay? That means that to get this answer, what do? 6 times 2 is 12. And that's your answer for letter A. So try letter B by yourself, and then let's check it. Okay, ready? We do 5 times what equals 45? 5 times what equals 45? Danielito? 9. So 9 is not our answer, you guys. 9 goes up here, so we know it to multiply. 2 times 9 equals what, Abiel? 18. And that's your answer for letter B. Okay, try letter C. Go ahead and do it by yourself. Okay, you ready? The answer should be 99. Why? We go backwards Z. 11 times what equals 121, Danya? 11. So 9 times 11 is what, Zainab? 99. Okay? Okay, I think you guys can do the rest of those by yourself. So let's look at number 2. Number 2 is when we change these improper fractions to whole numbers or mixed numbers. Well, we have 17 over 3. That means that the 17 is bigger than the 3, and when the numerator is bigger than the denominator, what do? We divide, okay? So we divide it like this, right? So 3 can go into 17 how many times, Oscar? 5, good. 5 times 3 is 15. 17 minus 15 is 2. So our fraction is what? Ethan? 2 over 3. Good. This over this is our fraction for our remainder, okay? Try well, look at letter B. Letter B, you don't even have to do anything with except in your head. What is 14 divided by 2, Danielito? 7. Okay, so that's your answer for letter B. So go ahead and do letter C by yourself, and we'll see what you get. Okay, your answer should be 1 4/5. Why? Because you put 5 into 9. Oops, 5 into 9 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. So Andres, what is our remainder? Four over 5. Okay? There you go. Okay, I don't think we need to do any more of those. Look at number 3. We'll do this together, okay? It says circle the 6 fractions that are in lowest terms. Okay, guys, that means that there are 6 fractions that do not need to be reduced. Okay, they do not need to be reduced. I'll show you the first one and what I mean. 4/5. Circle that one, and I'll show you why. Can you divide anything by 4 and 5 to make it a smaller fraction? No, you can't. Okay, so it's already reduced, or what they call in the book, it's in its lowest terms. Okay? So here we go. Find the other 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that cannot be divided anymore. Circle them and then we'll check it. Okay, here we go. Give me one, Danielito. 2/5. Okay, 5/10. No, because you can divide 5 and 10 by 5. 6/12. No, because you can divide 6 and 12 by 6. But 2/5 you can't divide by anything, so 2/5 is 1. Okay, just yell it out to me. Is 11 over 22 1? No. Is 4 over 8 1? No. Is 3 over 12 1? No. 5 over 15? Nope, tampoco. 6 over 11? Yes, you cannot divide anything by 6 and 11. 7 over 15? Yes, you can't divide anything out of those. 3 out of 8? Yes, you can't divide anything out of those. 5 over 100? No, you can divide 5 and 100 by 5. 2 and 4? Nope, you can divide 2 and 4 by 2. And 7/9? Yes, is 1. So your answer is going to be 4/5, 2/5, 6/11, 7/15, 3/8, 7/9. Okay? Okay, look at the section 4. Section 4. A is a piece of cake, okay? But B, let's do B together. Okay, we've been talking about this for a couple of days now, right? I look at it, I have the same denominator, so I put 12. And you guys did a phenomenal job on this the other day. But we look at it, and 1 minus 7 you cannot do. So what do you have to do? Cross this out, take 1 away, makes it a 5. And what do you add over here, Oscar? 12. So your new fraction is 13 over 12. Okay? 13 minus 7 is 6. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So your answer is 1 and 6/12. Can you reduce it? Yes, you can. What can you divide by over here? Dueno? 6. Good job, buddy. So it's 1 and 1 over 2. That's your final answer. Okay? I think because we did a lot of those yesterday and the day before, that we don't need to do any more of that section. Because I really want to spend time on section 5. Look at section 5. I know that this is one of the hardest sections because you're working with different denominators. So let's do a couple of these together, okay? You have 3/4 and 1/2. Okay, we look at it. The denominators are different. Uh-oh. If the denominators are different, can we add them? De la nada? No. We have to do something, right? Okay, so step number 1. Find the same denominator. Okay, well you're like, well, Miss Jessica, I'm really confused about that. Look what you do. Start with the smallest denominator. Let's start with 2. And start to count the multiples. And see if the multiples reach this number. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay? Well, that's 4. If you get to that number, then that's your denominator. Okay? So, our denominator is 4. Okay? Then, this is just like section 1. We do our backwards z. But guys, look at this one. If this is 4, we don't need to change anything here. So it means the numerator doesn't change either. The numerator is 3. Okay? Over here, though, we do need to change it. Backwards z. 2 times what equals 4, Frankie? 2. So you put 2 right here. 1 times 2 is 2, okay? And now we can add, you guys, because the denominator is the same. So we have 3 plus 2 is 5 over 4. We see that the numerator is bigger, so we have to divide, right? So your answer is going to be 1 1/4 if you divided that. Okay? But the paso is that you have to change the denominator first. So let's do another one so you guys feel comfortable. Okay, here we go. The denominator is 5 and 10, right? So we know that we need to change the denominator. Let's start with the smallest one and see if we get to 10. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10. So that means our denominator is going to be 10. Put 10 right here, 10 right here. Okay, this one doesn't change, you guys, because it's already 10. So we just keep the numerator the same, 7. But up here, we need to do the backwards Z. 5 times what equals 10, Oscar? 2. So 2 times 2 is what, Ethan? 4. And then we add it. 4 plus 7 is 11 over 10. Okay, when we get here and we have 11 over 10, we automatically have to divide because the 11 is bigger than the 10. And our denominator is, our remainder is 1 over 10. So let's put that over here. We have 110, and we put our 1 up here. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 3 is 5. And your answer is 54 and 1/10. Okay? I'm going to do letter C with you as well, and then I'll let you do letter D by yourself. Okay, here we go. We have different denominators. We have 8, 16, and 8. So let's start with the 8, the smallest one. 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. Woohoo, we got to this one. So our denominator is going to be 16. We don't have to change the one that already has 16, so we leave that as 5. Then the other one we do backwards Z. 8 times 2 is 16. 1 times 2 is 2. 8 times 2 is 16, and 1 times 2 is 2. And then we add it up. 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 2 is 9 over 16. 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 8 is 18 plus 2 is 20. And that's your answer. Okay? And you guys can try letter D by yourself. Let's see what else we have time for. Okay, everything on page 100 is super, super fast, so we do have time for one division problem. Here we go. Let's do number 6, letter A. Here we go. We look at this one. This 4 is smaller than 5, so we keep 4 in our head to estimate. How many times can 4 go into 8? Andres? 2 times. Where are we going to put that 2, Frankie? Above the second 8, right? Because 44 goes into 88. Then we multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 88, that's 0, and we bring down a 9, right? Well, there's no way 44 can go into 9, you guys, so we're going to put 0. 0 times 44 is 0. 9 minus 0 is 9, and we bring down the 6. Okay. 4 goes into 9 how many times, Sanguinito? 2. So you put our 2 right here. So that's again, 2 times 44 is 88. And we get 8. And we bring down our 8. Okay, cool. Look again. 44 into 88 is 2 times again. And that is our answer, 2022. Okay? If you have any questions or if you want small little videos to help you with any other sections, please let me know because that's why we are here to help you. Okay? Have a great day, you guys. Bye.